chest first before I wrap. Okay, so he throws the boom, I enter. I listen to his heart. Okay? See? I listen to his heart. Okay, I want to step in with this leg and bend him at the hip. Okay, don't worry about that other hand punching you because he's going to be worried about falling. Here, and now all I'm going to do is give a slight hook, let him fall, and let go, and come to mount. Okay, so I want you to control your descent, not his. Do not land here, like this, on top of your hands. Number one, here you're going to hurt his back, and if it's on concrete, you're going to break your hands. Okay, so he throws the punch. Enter. Wrap. Do not do this. Because you're going to eat another punch. Okay, so you're going to be here, boom, and I'm going to do this, and he's whack. Okay, so I'm going to be here, enter all the way till my arms touch, then I wrap. See how I step in, bend him at the hip, use your neck muscles to pressure in. Here, slight hook, look, I let go, and I control my descent. I don't want to come crashing down with him. Okay? Now, from here, we're going to do our simple transition where you're going to hit, and you're going to keep going to one side, and he's going to roll over. And I want you to let him roll over and sink in your choke. Get your hooks in, arm in the back, and choke. Okay? It's very difficult just to have the sensitivity, just to let them roll. Okay? When I'm here, people are going to get caught up, and then he's going to roll, and you're going to get stuck here. You have to open up and allow him to roll. As jiu-jitsu people, we don't really want to hit him. We just want to hit him to let him do what we want to do. And never punch somebody in the head with a closed fist. It's like punching a bowling ball. You're going to break your fist. Okay? I don't care how strong or how big your hand is. You know, it's like punching a helmet. So just give him a couple smacks. Smack. Well, look how I open my legs and I lead him where I want. And my other arm, as soon as he turns, snakes in. This arm shoots through. I grab my bicep and I shoot it through the back of his head. And I squeeze my elbows together and choke. So one more time from the top. So I'm here. This is fighting. Okay, you might. And again, he throws a punch. Let's say I didn't face cage in time. Boom, I'm here. I might want to throw my own punch and enter. Okay. So you can also enter off a jab or your own shot. Okay. But for now, let's just face cage off my haymaker. So boom, I enter. My forearms touch first. I wrap. Bend him. Control the descent. Come down. Here. Smack, smack, smack. Yeah, look. Let him roll. Right here. Shoot the hand in. Here. Choke. Make sure you bury your head. Close your eyes and just choke till you feel him go limp. Not here. Okay? Make sense?
Yes, sir.
Let's go.